have the mount right here for the motor, or engine mount as some may call it, or engine mount assembly. But we're going to go over what the part number is and how to identify and purchase this part and review it. This is what they call a mount. You can buy this pretty much at any auto parts place, but this is a Ford Motor Company part, so Motorcraft part, and the part number is 8T4Z6038A, and this works for mostly the 2007 through 2014 3.5 and 3.7 liter Duratec engines. So this is the part that you want. So what we want to do is go ahead and review this part and check it out. Now this is the direction that it mounts. You'll have two large spots here. This goes up over the wheel well, and then you have another one. So you're going to have large bolts that you're going to have to remove to move this. And then you'll have some more bolts you put here, along with a few that you're going to put right here on top with a bracket and everything else. But this is the actual part, and you can see Ford Motorcraft and all that good stuff on there. And it does have rubber insert into it. As you can see, it is all rubber in there. This is a metal guard onto it with a bolt going up through the center. And this part here you want to replace when you start having some play in the engine, like you saw at the beginning of the video. That probably wasn't a whole lot of play, but this mount I'm going to replace mostly because of age and use. This vehicle here has 238,000 miles on this thing. So you can imagine this rubber in here is probably becoming a little bit on the mushy side from all those hours and miles of use. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. And this is the part. See all this? It's all aluminum, steel bolts, rubber. Got a steel guard right here with a cap, and then a steel cap on top with 3 bolts. It really is a modular replacement, and I will show the video on how to replace this part. But for now, this is just a review on what this motor mount actually looks like, or engine mount assembly as they call it. But not much to it. So we're going to go ahead, and I'll make another video later on me replacing it. But rest assured, it goes right down in here, and we are going to replace that in a later video. So folks, that is the part review for the motor mount for your Ford Edge. And I just want to let you all know, MacT here, and of course go to the YouTube channel, MacTFordEdge, like and subscribe to the videos, and also the Facebook group, MacTFordEdge, which is the fastest growing Ford Edge technical group you're going to get. You will get answers in seconds when you ask. And that is a good thing. Free help and advice and all sorts of experience-related information at your fingertips. I had my feet at the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. So with that being said, Mercy Girl's going to have a couple one-liners for you. Band of One's going to play some great music, and maybe some follow-on footage after this is over with.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.